March is that in-between season. Not quite winter, not fully spring. So today we're making something that feels fresh, but still filling. This lemon herb chickpea bowl hits both. Here's what you'll need. Cooked chickpeas, rice or quinoa, fresh parsley, lemon zest and juice, olive oil, garlic, salt, and black pepper. This one is all about brightness. Nothing heavy, nothing complicated. Start with warm chickpeas. Add olive oil, garlic, salt, and black pepper. Give them a good stir so they soak all that up. Now add fresh parsley, lemon zest, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Toss again. That fresh lemon smell, that's your spring moment. Start with rice or quinoa. Spoon the lemon chickpeas on top. Simple, fresh, and filling. This is the kind of bowl that makes you feel lighter, but not hungry. If you'd like a few simple recipes to keep on hand, I've put together a free download at yuminasnap.com. It's an easy way to cook without overthinking. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.